What if the Library of Alexandria was never destroyed?
Imagine this: a massive building by the sea, marble columns, flickering lamps, scrolls stacked higher than sight. The air hums with knowledge. This is the Library of Alexandria, a beacon of wisdom, a miracle of the ancient world.
Now imagine it was never destroyed, never lost to fire, war, or time. What kind of world would we live in today if the greatest library in history still stood?
Founded in the 3rd century BCE in Egypt, the Library of Alexandria was more than a building. It was a dream, to collect all human knowledge in one place. Scientists, philosophers, poets, and mathematicians came from all over the world, India, Greece, Persia, Africa, to read, debate, and write. At its peak, it held an estimated 400,000 to 700,000 scrolls, covering medicine, astronomy, engineering, mathematics, and even lost languages.
But over time, it burned, lost to history, and with it, centuries of knowledge vanished. But what if that never happened?
Science and technology accelerate centuries early. Think of what the ancients already knew. The Earth's circumference, measured nearly accurately, early steam-powered machines, advanced astronomy, surgical techniques.
If preserved, studied, and built upon, the scientific revolution could have begun 1,000 years earlier.
Electricity? The 900s, not the 1800s. Space travel? The 1600s, not the 20th century. Artificial intelligence? Right now, could already be ancient tech.
A more connected world. The library wasn't just about books. It was a melting pot of cultures. Without its destruction, civilizations might have collaborated far earlier. A unified world could have emerged not through conquest, but through shared knowledge.
Languages and ideas preserved, lost languages, mythologies, and cultures would be alive today. Scrolls that explained mysteries we still wonder about, from the pyramids to ancient medicine, might have answered them long ago.
Progress over superstition without the Dark Ages, without centuries of lost learning. The world may have chosen reason over fear, truth over myth, sooner and more widely. Now imagine you in this world. You walk into your version of school, but it's a global forum of thought, built in the style of Alexandria.
You study Plato and Egyptian chemistry side by side. You speak a hybrid of ancient tongues. You read from holographic scrolls passed down for thousands of years. By age 10, you understand the stars. By 18, you've contributed to global knowledge. Not with a viral post, but with a scroll uploaded to a universal archive.
Your city is powered by sustainable tech. Diseases we still suffer from today, cured centuries ago. And war? Rare. Because when wisdom is valued over weapons, nations learn to build bridges, not burn them.
But would it all be perfect? Some say, had we advanced too quickly, we may have reached nuclear power, without the ethics to handle it.
Technology without wisdom can be dangerous. Knowledge without compassion, destructive. The library's survival may have changed the world, but only if we changed with it.
Because knowledge alone doesn't make a better world. How we use it does.
The Library of Alexandria wasn't just shelves and scrolls. It was a symbol of curiosity, of unity, of humanity's hunger to understand itself.
Its destruction was a tragedy, not just of history, but of potential.
But maybe, just maybe, we still carry that dream today. In every university, every archive, every question we ask.
The real question is, are we building our own Library of Alexandria? On the DNC, or letting it burn again?
If this alternate history stirred something in you, if it made you wonder what else we've lost, or what we could still create, you're not alone.
Comment below. If you could read one scroll from the Library of Alexandria, what would it be about? Like, share, and subscribe for more what-if journeys through lost worlds and reimagined futures.
Until next time, stay curious, ask deeper questions, and help rebuild the library, one thought at a time.